Yo, I really don't like it.
I drive hot cars. I'm a rock star. I see hot bras. Right, hard stop. Swerving your bay in my coupe. Swerving your bay in my coupe.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Flexx, and it is your girl
Moni!
As you can see, we started this handcuff challenge at
10 minutes ago at 6:03.
6:03.
And if you guys were on our live, you guys saw Flexx put the handcuffs on me. Good.
I'm about to find these handcuffs so I can start this 24-hour break. She about to be mad, but I know she got them somewhere.
No, babe! What are you doing? I'm cooking! Babe, I'm cooking! Babe!
Y'all see it, right?
I'm cooking! What
Now,
are you doing?
this starts our challenge. Y'all see? Y'all wanted us to do that, right? It starts. Now she gonna be handcuffed to me.
It started at 6:03. What the fuck, babe? I'm trying to cook, and
Well,
you just.
I guess now we gotta
Now I
cook
have
together.
to go dump my bag it off.
Oh, well.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna suck for you because I wake up in the middle of the night a lot. Right, so it's gonna suck for you. I don't even know.
We good.
It's gonna suck for her, y'all.
You don't want to be near me?
I didn't say that.
I want to sip of my drink, though.
You're gonna be a pain in my ass.
You gonna come play my game with me later, too? Okay?
Oh hell no! I'm gonna watch.
I plan on playing my game.
No, I'm going to watch my shows.
Well,
Man, what are you doing?
I need to get some more juice.
What the hell?
So she gotta come with me. Come on.
I told you I needed to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, and guess what?
What?
Since you wanted to do this, I get to sit in your chair, in your spot on the couch. Yes, nope.
We can't switch the handcuffs?
Nope.
Thank you. No, we can. We can switch.
I gotta go to the bathroom. Jesus.
Dang, y'all already know.
Babe, can you stop? Stop! Why are you doing all of that?
Sorry.
Jeez. Just relax.
I am relaxed. See, she just mad. You know what I'm saying?
I hope you know you have to get up with me in the middle of the night.
I don't gotta do a goddamn thing.
Okay. I'm the one who goes to the bathroom a lot.
It's a challenge, y'all. That ain't say we gonna make it the full 24 hours.
Girl, what you mean? So we only gonna make it for a few hours?
I don't know. This should hurt my wrist already.
Well, why'd you put it so
It
tight?
ain't tight.
I need you to get down a little bit. Okay.
That means I gotta do this. Moving around too much.
I got to dump my bag.
You taking mad long. It don't take that long.
I'm scraping the poop out. You need to shut up.
Now I'm like, damn, why I do this? I ain't gonna lie, I'm regretting it. But we started this 24-hour handcuff challenge. I ain't gonna lie, I'm already annoyed by it. But
And it's only been 10 minutes.
yeah, and she's cooking some.
Chicken and shrimp with broccoli
I
Alfredo.
don't know if I can see that good. I don't know, but she's making that, and yeah. So basically, we're just making food. Well, she's making food, and I'm just kind of stuck here because I can't go nowhere. Sit y'all up here. She made some croissants yesterday back there.
You ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat. But I'm stuck over here. I can't even move. I want to go sit down. That food looked fire, though. I can't wait to eat it. Oh, I can't wait to eat it.
You want salad?
Huh?
You want some salad?
I want to eat the pasta first. You know, you want to just get up and go. I eat faster than her too, so I'm gonna want to get back up and get some more food. I'm gonna have to wait for this nigga. Nah, actually, she gonna get the hell up and come with me. We'll see how she do with this part because she's slow. She gonna need both of her hands.
Yeah, you know how I am about my food.
Hey,
Yeah, one thing about Moni, she loves her food.
you mad or no?
And I get cranky.
Okay, she get cranky. We'll see how this eating goes though.
What did you say?
I was like, what she doing? Lifting my arm like that. Okay. We gotta come back. For the beverages.
I know. This is my food. This is your food.
Okay. Y'all see how this is turning out. 5 liter.
Oh, okay. It's right here. I think I need some more.
Okay. Think I do too.
Okay, I got you, baby.
Y'all see how she drinking out of that cup and I'm drinking out of a plastic cup? It's a small cup, but I don't care because I don't want to make no dishes.
Yeah, Flexx is so lazy when it comes to...
I just don't like doing dishes. Like, I'm not lazy. I clean. I just don't like doing dishes. It's the only thing I don't like
I
doing.
didn't say you were dirty.
No, but you know what I'm saying. I don't like to do dishes. I don't want to do that.
Okay.
I do everything else but that. Come on. You know I walk fast. You need to keep it stepping.
Girl, shut up.
Put your drink in there. Okay, y'all. It's time to eat. We about to smash, so I'm gonna get back on here when we're done eating. So y'all can see what we're gonna be doing next.
Y'all, it's actually not that bad eating. She's able to eat with no problem, and I'm able to eat my food. So, eating is not the big issue. So, y'all, just stay tuned. Babies are good.
Yep.
So, just stay tuned and see what else is going to happen tonight. Because I know there's going to be a lot of crazy things happen. So, y'all, she's been done for the last 10 minutes. I just got done with my food. That was so good. Why are you looking like that?
Because I want to go get more food.
Okay.
And actually, this list doesn't exist. My list.
You guys are in the Illuminati.
Well, I mean,
I'm going to have to take these motherfucking things off.
You tired of it already?
names on the roster.
I can't move around like I want to move around.
Oh, sorry. You saying you're done?
The point is, the cooperative controls the money, the arts, the
You
arts,
say you done?
everything. They run the fucking world. And
Is that a yes or a no?
cooperative has sold their soul.
You want some more food? Let's go get some more food.
Hungry. I know you want your spot back.
Grumpy. Don't try to use me as the reason to take the handcuffs off. I'm fucking weak. I'm weak.
You're pulling me. Want some more food, okay? Gotta get your arm up here now. Get your arm. Oh, y'all, this shit is so fire. You want some more, baby? Why not? Why not?
Why are you so loud? Because I don't want to overdo it.
I'm hungry.
I'm talking about, you know, sometimes it messes
Where the
up.
shrimps at? Sorry, baby, I'm splashing you. Just a little porquito. Porquito. Hey, I know a little Spanish, Espanol. Come on. That's all I want.
Okay. Let me turn this light off on the microwave. Alright, y'all. So we're just going to sit here. She's going to finish eating. some more of the Alfredo. And we're gonna sit here and watch.
AHS.
What?
AHS.
They probably don't know what that stands for.
Well, you ain't a true fan if you don't know what that stands for.
Anyway, so we're about to sit here and watch that. And we have to take a shower. So, yeah. We'll get back on here in a little bit. Bye, y'all. So, y'all. Still handcuffed. And baby's trying to... Oh, excuse me, y'all. Babe about to put on a show, one of her shows. And look, she keeps asking me, are you comfortable? Can you do it? How you do it? Girl, you're not gonna crack me. Like, she can't do it, y'all. Look at her face. She's so over it. I just looked at the TV and said it's 7:01. So, in 2 more minutes, it's just been 1 hour. And look, she's already ready to take it off. How you feeling, babe? Babe?
I'm fine.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she was just yelling at me because I had my hand like this. And she was trying to grab her cup. And she was just like, you're just so comfortable. You're just hanging. And first she said I was moving my hand all over. I'm like, really? My hand's just been right here. You mad or no? After this show, we taking a shower. Okay?
My question is, how are we getting the clothes off?
Y'all, so this is the thing. We was just talking about it. So we have the camera rolling. But we gotta take these off for a brief second to take our clothes off so we can get in the shower.
It's gonna break the games.
Oh, we need to take a shower. So we're not taking a shower tonight?
I need to take a shower.
Exactly. So we need to take a shower. Anyway, we can figure it out. Y'all see this girl? How she had my arm?
Hey, you had my arm like that most of the time.
No, I did not. No, I did not.
You know that extra?
She's being extra as fuck right now.
I'm doing what you doing. You had your relaxed time.
Man, hey babe.
According to the files,
I want a
sent
snack.
a lot of their patients to a hospital in Baltimore, but it turns out some of them never showed up.
Hello.
How dare you?
You think it'd be under
Well, can we go in the kitchen to get a snack, please?
There's a stick.
Hey, can you fix your attitude?
Come on, man.
Can you fix your attitude? Who you calling man?
Hey, come on.
Okay, come on.
You gotta wait.
Don't be rude. Ow! Can I get the blanket off of me?
Yeah, go ahead.
I can't.
Damn thing down there. Should have put it down for a second.
Come on, grumpy pants.
Go ahead.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
You just said you wanted.
I gotta go to the bathroom though. What? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What you say?
Just hurry up.
What you say?
Just hurry up and go to the bathroom so I can watch my show.
I had to go.
Hurry up, bro.
I'm okay, I'm going. I'm trying to pull my pants down. Okay.
Ew, you spitting, bro.
I'm fucking weak.
I burped, what?
Well, I got to pee, but I can't pee.
Yo, I'm about to be sitting in this bathroom waiting for you to pee for mad long.
You know how it is.
I'm not doing that. You gonna have to get up.
No, I'm not getting up.
Yeah.
I'm not
sitting here this long.
I need to put my pants down a little more. I have to cut your tree.
It's not funny. I just want you to hurry the hell up.
Your fucking face is funny. Give me a kiss. Hold on, I think it's coming.
I don't know why you got that on me.
Ow. Yes, I would like a snack now. I would like a snack now. I like a snack now. I need to turn the light on. Ow!
Yeah, well, you want
Can you tell me when you was gonna do that?
Yeah, alright.
You want anything? These are my favorites. These are my favorites.
Yo, I really don't like it. Like,
Ow!
I can't even move around how I want to move around. It's just stupid.
You started it today.
Good fucking ass.
What?
People kept asking.
Tell me how you really feel.
I want to watch my show.
Baby, what you say?
I don't want to do this shit. It's stupid.
You don't want to do this challenge no more?
No, I don't.
It's stupid. So you're done? You tap it? Say it. Tell the people.
I'm not.
You just say you didn't want to do it
I
anymore.
don't, though.
So you're going to take it off? You're going to go grab the keys? Hello? Hello? Answer me.
No, I'm not.
But she's over here complaining about how she don't want to do it anymore.
I really do, though.
You want to take it off?
Yeah.
So you done?
I really want to do it because this is stupid. I can't.
Because it's stupid? Because what?
I can't move around like I want to move around.
So are you done with this challenge? What time is it? Oh, it's almost 8 o'clock, you guys. So as you guys can tell, or as you guys can see, Flexx had a wrap. She can't do this challenge. She doesn't like it. She's not comfortable. So you heard it from her own mouth that she tapping and she can't do it. Oh well, that's what she said. So we're ending this challenge. It's really short. Thanks to Flexx. I'm pretty sure the reason why she's tapping also is because I was getting on her nerves. She's already been to the bathroom with me a few times. So anyway, baby, you want to go get the keys?
I don't need no key.
Oh, well, she's taking it off.
Stop pulling, bro.
I'm not pulling. You gonna get mine? Anyway, as you guys can see, she took them off. She had enough, and she couldn't even last. It was only for 2 hours. She can only last for 2 hours, you guys. But if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see a part 2, hopefully
Sorry, y'all. I couldn't.
hopefully we can do a part 2 if Flexx is down. Probably not. She couldn't even hang for at least 5 hours. She only hang for 2 hours. But go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Go ahead and comment below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed already. And turn on your notifications. And until next time, deuces. Hello.